it's so weird because I'm not going to advocate for the tough guy. I do think there's a place for them. You don't have to have a one-dimensional player anymore. There's guys in the league who can strike fear in an opposing team who can actually play. And you see them all over the league. The Bruins, like we interviewed Kevin Miller. He's a perfect example where he can go out and he can set the tone, settle things down if you need be. He would go out and fight Tom Wilson. The Rangers have absolutely nobody who fights.
Brendan Lemieux, do you think he would have tangled with him?
Well, he would have. He would have stepped up to the plate, but he wouldn't dissuade Tom Wilson from playing the way he plays. I don't think anyone's afraid of Brendan Lemieux. And I'm not going to advocate for the fighter to come back, but gosh, it's hard not to. You know what I mean? Like, this is a perfect example of why we need fighting in the game, why we need to have checks and balances, because the league's not going to stick up for you.